Hey folks, going over the dead bug today. While there are many variations of this, we're going to do a legs only dead bug, alright? So, first thing you want to do is make sure your ribs and low back stay grounded throughout the duration of this movement. If your low back and ribs are popping off the floor, you might have gone a bit too far for your range, alright? So, legs are come up at 90 degrees. You want to keep your toes back towards the shins so you keep a little more tension throughout the rest of the body. Again, give yourself a good exhale and reach. Draw those ribs and low back onto the floor. This reach the entire time, again, is going to keep everything grounded. Two options for you. You can either straighten out the entire leg, one at a time, slowly lowering, heel lightly tapping the floor, and then back in towards the body. If you are someone that gets any sensations with extra joint laxity or gets any popping or clicking sounds in their hip, discomfort in that area, what I'm going to have you do is keep the knee bent, toes back towards the shin. So we're just going to shorten the lever. So keep that knee bent. You are still moving from the hip. You are still keeping everything grounded. That variation also works if you are someone that's having trouble keeping everything grounded on the floor. So again, biggest things, make sure ribs, low back stay grounded, hip, knee, and ankle in line as you go out. If you're having any issues with low back pain, joint laxity extra, keep that knee bent as you drop that heel and hip to the